Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video how to create a table into fit on a page on in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly, create a table. I am going to the insert menu option. Now for click and click for the table option. In create a table. This create table is fit on one page in Microsoft Word. Is scroll your mouse in the on full page. Let's okay. Then you show the carrot table to fit on page. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.